got selected in Goldman Sachs as an intern. Tell us about the entire interview process of Goldman Sachs.
So this was an off-campus opportunity. So the first round was a resume screening round. The entire process consisted of 5 rounds. Starting with the first round, which was an online assessment. First round मेरा schedule हुआ था जिसमें there were 70 MCQs. So 70 MCQs थे from various topics such as logical reasoning, aptitude, diagrams, quantitative questions. So second stage जो था, that was also an online assessment again, but this time it was more technical in nature. इस round में there were 3 DSA questions. Apart from that, there were a few MCQs as well, 5 to 10 MCQs, and then एक behavioral question भी था. मुझे कंपनी की तरफ से मेल आया that you have cleared the second online assessment as well. So जब इंटरव्यू का दिन आया, तो सबसे पहले I was asked to introduce myself. मैंने अपने बारे में बताया, and then she also introduced herself. After that, we went on to discussing some CS fundamentals, and the second and third rounds will be scheduled tomorrow. जब मेरा सेकेंड इंटरव्यू हुआ, विच इज़ टिपिकली द 4th राउंड ऑफ द हायरिंग प्रोसेस, सो द इंटरव्यूअर स्टार्टेड विद अ बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन एज ऑलवेज. फिर मुझसे उन्होंने पूछा कि आपने रिएक्ट जेएस पर क्या काम किया है. मैम, ईच इंटरव्यू राउंड वाज टिपिकली 35 to 40 मिनट्स.
ठीक है. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड इन द लास्ट इंटरव्यू राउंड?
मेरे स्क्रीन पे एक इंटरव्यूअर आए. सो दिस टाइम द इंटरव्यूअर वाज अ वेरी सीनियर पर्सन फ्रॉम द फर्म. सो ही स्टार्टेड विथ हिज इंट्रोडक्शन एंड देन उन्होंने मेरे बारे में पूछा. देन ही टोल्ड मी टू वॉक थ्रू वन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स, एंड दिस वाज मोर ऑफ अ टेक्निकल कम HR राउंड. Then he asked ki if you have any questions for me. So I went on to asking about the culture at Goldman Sachs. So this was how my third round ended. एक mail pop up हुआ around 6 PM and it said congratulations, you are selected.